Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving into the world of portable massage tables with the brand new luxury portable massage table in beige by brand Clive. First off, let's talk about the packaging. It arrived neatly packed in a carrying bag, which is super convenient for transport. Upon opening, I was greeted with a sleek beige massage table, which looked incredibly luxurious. Assembly was straightforward but required some effort due to its weight, which clocks in at 58 pounds. The table's shape is round, providing a unique touch to its design. The product care instructions were simple: just wipe with a dry cloth, making maintenance hassle-free. Now, let's delve into the details. The construction feels sturdy and durable, which is crucial for ensuring client comfort and safety during massages. The beige color adds a touch of elegance to any spa or massage studio. However, there's one minor downside: assembly is required. While it's not overly complex, it might be a consideration for those looking for a ready-to-use option out of the box. Overall, I'm impressed with the quality and aesthetics of this massage table. It's a fantastic addition to any professional setup or even for at-home use. If you're in the market for a portable massage table that exudes luxury, this one is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.